Welcome to this video on starting an e-commerce retailer business. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become an increasingly popular way to start a business and reach a wider audience. In this video, we'll discuss the steps involved in starting an e-commerce retailer business and how to create product demos or shoppable videos to showcase your products. 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand in the market. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract a loyal customer base. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This will help you stay organized and focused on your business objectives. 3. Build your website. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your products and provides a seamless shopping experience for customers. Ensure that your website is optimized for search engines and mobile devices. 4. Source your products. Find reliable suppliers and manufacturers that offer high-quality products at competitive prices. This will help you maintain a good profit margin and ensure customer satisfaction. 5. Market your business. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to promote your business and attract customers. Consider offering discounts, promotions, and referral programs to incentivize customers to make a purchase. Now, creating product demos or shoppable videos. 1. Know your product strength. Understand the unique features and benefits of your products and use this knowledge to create engaging product demos or shoppable videos. Consider your target audience. Create product videos that match the preferences and tastes of your target audience. This will help you create more engaging and effective content. 3. Use shoppable videos. Embed clickable links or hotspots within your videos to allow viewers to purchase products directly from the video without having to navigate to your website. 4. Keep an eye on competitors. Stay up to date with your competitors' product demos and videos to ensure that your content stands out and attracts customers. Conclusion. Starting an e-commerce retailer business can be a rewarding and profitable venture if done correctly. By following these steps and creating engaging product demos or shoppable videos, you can attract customers and build a successful online business.